So what we have here is the AC evaporator box. 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch. Yeah, 1/2 inch here. Yeah, about 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch. And then how wide? 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch. So 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch. So we'll order some of those foam pieces and we'll clean this all up. Let's take a look what else and try to remember the original orientation of everything. Okay, so here's some foam in here. A little bit less, so about 3/4 inch. So let's do 1/4 inch. Okay, I need to try to remember what the foam looked like on here, okay? On this longer side, overhung a little bit like this. Right over to the edge of this, like that. Same thing all the way around. It stops to here. As you can see, it's all the way around like that. Alright, let's start ripping it apart.